Drink it all then. No?
Alfie made me drink.
No, he didn't, love.
Didn't, love.
I came in and you were fucked. Is that good beer?
I remember.
You don't remember?
Just bad. Just fucking bad. I thought you said the dentist chair again.
Yeah.
Dentist chair. Oh, cool. Yeah, I did just. Oh, mate. Michael. Jesse. No. I gotta do.
More beer!
Beer. Where? Over here. Oi.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dentist chair. Sit down. Sit there.
Oh yeah.
They hit a spot.
What spot?
In the stomach. Is it good?
I can't remember. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Malibu. You let it all go to waste. Yeah. What's the waste? Oh, no, because everyone that... Oh.
They won't drink it, they'll waste it, they'll pour it down the sink if you don't.
Yeah, you've got that thing, man. You've got to help the sink out.
Don't be sick.
No.
Ken's chicken. That juicy chicken. Oh, don't be sick. You don't want to be sick. Because you'll be cleared up in the morning.
No, you won't. That pizza from Speedy Pizza the other day was...
Oh no! Oh! Move your feet! Move your feet! You wasted all that Malibu! Oh. Dude, it's a liquid! Dude, come on.